Welcome to LUCA. Today we're going to talk about flexibility. In accounting, every business is a little different. You might need to track a project manager for a sale, a specific PO number for a vendor, or a referral source for a client. But what if that field doesn't exist in the standard form? That's where custom fields come in. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a custom field, and we'll use a practical example, adding a consultant to our sales invoices in LUCA. To get started, log into your dashboard and look at the left-hand menu. Go to the Setup section. Inside Setup, you'll find an option called Custom Field. Click on that. If the Custom Field menu doesn't appear, it just means you need to enable the permission for your user role. To do this, go to the Staff section and click on Role. You'll see a list of roles. In my case, it's Admin. Click Edit on your current role. This will open a form where you can update permissions. Scroll down or look for the Setup section. Inside Setup, you'll find the Custom Field permission. Check all the permission boxes to grant full access. Once you've updated the permissions, save the changes. Now, when you go back to the Setup menu, you'll see Custom Field available. Go ahead and click on it to continue. This is the Custom Field Index page. Since you're just getting started, or if you haven't added any yet, this list will be empty. To create your first custom field, let's click the Add New button in the top right corner. This opens the creation form. The first thing we need to decide is, where do we want this field to appear? In the module dropdown, you can select the document type. You can attach a custom field to a sale invoice, a bill, a customer profile, and more. For our example, we want to track which consultant handled a specific deal, so we will select Sale Invoice. Next, we need to give it a field name. Keep this practical and clear, as you'll see it later when creating invoices. We'll type in consultant, then we need to choose the field type. If you need a simple short answer, choose text. For longer notes, choose text area. If you're tracking a date, use date. Since consultant is usually just a name or initials, we'll stick with text. Once that's done, click Create. Now for the satisfying part, seeing it work. Let's go to the Sale Invoice module and create a new invoice. As you fill out the customer and product details, scroll down to the bottom right section, usually labeled Additional Invoice Information. Look here, you'll see our new consultant field. I can type ABC Consultant directly into this invoice. This means every time you create an invoice for a specific job, you can tag the consultant responsible. Once all the required information is added, simply click Save to create the invoice. And here's where the real value comes in. When you view the sale invoice details, you'll now see the consultant listed right next to the invoice date or the amount due. This information carries over when you download the invoice or send it to a customer as a PDF. Let's do that now. We'll download this invoice and take a look at the final document. As you can see, the consultant's name is clearly displayed right on the PDF. This is perfect for internal tracking, and it also makes it easy for your clients to see exactly who to contact regarding that specific bill. Custom fields give you the power to make the software fit your exact workflow, whether you're tracking consultants, project codes, or purchase orders. Try adding a few that make sense for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials to learn even more about using LUCA. See you next time.